Every year I test a ton of tech accessories, and most of them are forgettable. But these are the ones I actually use every day. Welcome to my ultimate tech accessories setup for 2026. Clean, functional, and stupidly satisfying. Let's start with the star of the setup. The UniCraft number 01 case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max is easily one of the most premium phone cases I've ever used. This thing is made from titanium alloy, and you can feel it the second you pick it up. It doesn't feel like a case, it feels like part of the phone. Real users love how slim it is while still offering legit protection, especially around the camera thanks to the built-in lens guard. No wobble on desks, no sketchy exposed lenses. MagSafe works perfectly, the buttons feel crisp, and it somehow manages to look rugged and elegant at the same time. If you're tired of cheap plastic cases and want something that actually matches the vibe of a Pro Max phone, this case is worth it. Check the description for the product link. If you've ever lost your wallet, or even just thought you lost it, this accessory is a lifesaver. The Belkin AirTag wallet insert is ultra thin, flexible, and slides right into your wallet like a credit card. Real users love that it doesn't bulk up their wallet at all. You forget it's there until you need it. Works perfectly with Apple's Find My Network, and it's especially clutch for travel, daily commuting, or just peace of mind. No weird dangling holders, no awkward shapes, just clean, simple, and effective. This is one of those accessories you don't think about much, which honestly means it's doing its job perfectly. Link is in the description below. This might be the most underrated accessory on the list. The SPUDZ microfiber lens cleaner is one of those things you buy once, and then wonder how you lived without it. It's washable, reusable, and lives in a small pouch with a clip, so you can attach it to your bag or keys. Photographers, glasses wearers, and phone users all swear by it. Smudges, fingerprints, dust, gone in seconds. Real users love that it doesn't scratch lenses and works just as well years later. If you care about clean camera lenses, screens, or glasses, this is a no-brainer accessory. Check the description for the link. The Spigen Mag Armor case for AirPods Pro is a low-key essential. It adds protection without turning your AirPods into a brick. Real-world feedback is super positive here. People love the grippy texture, clean look, and how well the MagSafe magnets snap onto chargers. It protects against scratches, drops, and everyday abuse, while still keeping the case slim enough for pockets. If you toss your AirPods into bags, backpacks, or car cup holders like most of us do, this case just makes sense. It's affordable, practical, and looks clean. Find the product link in the description. Let's talk charging, because this is where setups usually fall apart. The NOMAD base. One Max Carbide is a 3-in-1 MagSafe charging station that feels as premium as it looks. It charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once, and it's heavy, in a good way. It doesn't slide around, the magnets are strong, and everything just works. Users constantly mention how clean their desks feel after switching to this. Yes, it's expensive, but this is one of those buy once, cry once accessories. If you want a minimal, high-end charging setup that matches premium devices, this is absolutely worth it. Product link is waiting in the description. These are the accessories I actually stick with. No fluff, no gimmicks. Just solid gear that makes daily tech better. Check the description for links and let me know which one you'd add to your setup in the 2026.